In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise to Shopify for international payouts. To get started, open Wise and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you haven't set it up yet. Before you can use it for payouts, make sure your identity verification is fully completed. That part is important because Wise may limit account features until your account is verified. Once you're inside, open the currency balance you want to receive payouts in, such as US dollars. If the option is available in your account, choose Get Account Details and then copy the banking details Wise provides. You'll need those details later when connecting everything inside Shopify. Next, go into your Shopify admin and check whether your setup is eligible to use those Wise details for payouts. Head to Settings, then Payments, and open Shopify Payments. Shopify's payout options can vary depending on your business location and the Shopify plan you're on, so it's a good idea to confirm that the payout currency and bank account type you want to use are supported before entering anything. If your Wise account details meet Shopify's requirements, you can connect the payout account. In Shopify, go to Settings, then Payments. Open Shopify Payments and click Manage. Under Payout Account, choose either Connect a Bank Account or Change Bank Account, depending on what you see. Enter the Wise account information exactly as it appears in Wise. Be careful here because even small mismatches can cause errors or delays. Also, make sure the account holder information matches what Shopify requires, then click Save. If your store is eligible for multi-currency payouts, you can set that up as well. Go back to Settings, then Payments, then Shopify Payments, and select Manage. Find the Payout Accounts section and click Add Bank Account. From there, select the payout currency, enter the country where the bank account is located, add the account owner name, and then enter the required bank details. When everything looks correct, click Next. Keep in mind that multi-currency payouts are only available in eligible regions and are generally limited to Advanced or Shopify Plus plans. Once your setup is approved, the process is straightforward. A customer pays, Shopify Payments processes the transaction, Shopify sends the payout, and the funds go to your connected payout account. The final payout currency will depend on your Shopify Payments configuration and the supported currencies for your store. After the payout reaches Wise, open Wise and check the incoming payment. You can keep the funds in the original currency, convert them to another supported currency, or send the money to your local bank account if that option is available. One final note. If you change or add a Shopify Payments bank account, payouts can be temporarily paused. In some cases, adding a payout account more than 24 hours after your initial Shopify Payments setup may cause a delay of 3 to 5 business days.